The maximum truck height can vary greatly from state to state. On the eastern side of the country, the standard height is 13 feet 6 inches, while out west it's typically 14 feet. This may seem like a negligible difference, but just a few inches too tall can spell disaster for your load. As those videos show, not every bridge will allow standard height trucks to pass. This is why it is crucial to measure the height of your load before you hit the road. Measuring the height has been made easy and fast with the Mytee product's Load Height Measuring Stick. Our load height measuring stick is constructed from durable fiberglass, offers imperial and metric markings, is retractable, and comes with a carrying case. Simply place the measuring stick next to the truck. Extend the stick until it is above the truck. Then fit the arm on top against the edge of the truck to ensure you have a precise measurement. Then simply retract the pole and stow it away. Knowing the exact height of your load has been made easy with our load measuring stick. Now you can plan out your route and avoid any low bridges that you won't be able to pass under.